DirectFix.com presents
the Blackberry 9800 torch take apart. Be sure to check us out on the web at directfix.com. Use coupon code YouTube7 for 7% off your first order.
Warning: this content is intended to be used for informational and entertainment purposes only. You are using this video directions and its content at your own risk. X Microsolution Inc. makes no representation, warranties, or conditions of any kind expressed or implied. Following these directions on the video will void your warranty. You are performing this repair at your own risk.
To begin, we're going to slide the battery cover off the back of the phone. Remove the battery. Now with a T6 Torx driver, remove the 4 screws on the back. Now we're going to use our case opener tool to remove this shiny bezel that goes around the edge of the phone. Make sure you slide the screen up while you do this. Now we're going to remove 2 more T6 Torx screws that are exposed after removing the bezel. Using a case opener tool, we're going to remove the back case. Now we're going to remove the motherboard. It is secured with 3 connectors. Use your case opener tool to release these. And after you lift the motherboard up, you'll notice that the antenna cable is connected on the bottom. Now we're going to use our case opener tool to lift up the left and right edges of this large sticker in the center of the phone. This will expose 3 T3 Torx screws on each side. Use a T3 Torx driver to remove these. With those screws removed, the screen assembly will separate from the rest of the phone. Be careful of the large ribbon in the center. On the bottom of the phone, there are 4 T3 Torx screws. Remove these. Use your case opener tool to remove this small plastic cover at the bottom of the screen assembly. Now you're going to remove 2 more screws in the screen assembly. These are even smaller, about T1 size. Use your case opener tool to disconnect 2 connectors at the bottom of the screen assembly. Now we're going to remove the touch panel. Be careful, this is glass and very fragile. You want to put your case opener tool right where the ear speaker is and gently pry up. With the touch panel now loose, it is still connected with the ribbon that goes through the frame of the screen assembly. There are 2 T3 Torx screws, however, at the top of the screen assembly underneath the touch panel that we need to remove before we can separate these. With those screws removed, the back cover of the screen assembly easily comes off. The ribbon for the touch panel is right here. It is connected with a small hinge. Carefully lift this up and pull it out. Now you can remove the LCD. Much like the touch panel, use your case opener tool to pry it up. I'm not going to pry up this one as it probably would damage the LCD. However, if your LCD is already damaged, you won't have this issue. Please be sure to check our website, directfix.com. Just click the link below for all your parts and accessory needs.